what are those few things or few areas that you would want to really focus on, you would want to pursue a master's, or you feel that that bit, if I could have been able to achieve?
There's a lot of gap between what we learn in our college and once we come into the practical world. So there's a lot of gap which actually needs to be filled up. And what we learn in our college is something very basic and it's almost in the air.
Then why do you need a school? You know, what will the school give you that a job doesn't give you? Now, the big difference is that when you take a job, so even if you come into a school like ours, if you're fairly kind of geared towards learning, even then the pressure of delivery is so high that for the first year and a half, you're just given things to do and you have to do them.
But in masters, I would want that whatever I learned in my 6 months or 1 year experience in my firm, I would like to learn that thing or that kind of approach I would learn in my masters. So that I am not new to that environment, or I'm not that oh my god, how do I handle a situation like if a client meeting is happening or if I have to make a budget or anything like that.
You have skills, but what are you going to do with those skills? Right? So what do you want to do with those skills? And are you a coach to do what you want to do and question and probe deep enough so that you have a clarity, okay, this is why I'm doing this, and you, at the end of 2 years you come out with a portfolio that you shapes your identity almost. You know, so this is who I am.
This in India, more people can pursue post-graduation without having to worry about the money and the effort involved in going out and doing it. So,